If you're like us and always on the go and always busy and sometimes not able to be home for your pet's feeding time, this beautiful machine is going to help you with that. This is an automatic pet feeder, and it allows you to schedule up to 4 different feeding times. You can even schedule the portion amount that you want to feed your dog. Very simple. The instructions let you know each portion, how much that is. So you would just put the timer on your settings here, and you can program up to 4 different times. You can even program your voice, like a little 10-second voice message. However, it's not very loud and you can't hear it, but honestly, it doesn't matter, because as soon as that food starts hitting that metal bowl here, your animal will come running because they know that it is time to feed. So the top part here is where you put in your food. It holds up to 4 liters of your pet food, and it has a little gel pack up here so that your food is not going to get dry or it's not going to get stale and sticky and mushy. And you just pop it on the floor. You can put in 3 3D batteries, or you can plug it in on the side with a USB so that your pet will never go hungry.